Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a rather simple little program for you that's very effective. In this folder here, folder D, we have some folders or directories and we have various files. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into the program that I've already written. So I've created sub-search folder because we're going to be searching folders. And we're going to be printing out if they're files or if they're folders or if it's possible other application. So first of all, what we do is we create the subroutine here called search folder. We create the print command and we type in something that the user can use, enter path to search, and then we give them a prompt C://. So that's where the user types in the path that they want to search. Then we go down onto chomp, create a scalar variable here called path and assign it to standard input. This standard input here will get the user input from above. Then we go down onto the next line, chdir, change directory. So we change into the path here that the user has entered. Or die. This is a short generic error handler. So if something goes wrong, it should throw an error and state what the error is. Then we continue on here. We use the print command to tell the user that we're searching and a new line here. And then we use the sleep function and put in a value of 1, which is the value of 1 second. So sleep kind of pauses the program. So here sleep will pause the program for 1 second. Then we create an array here called files and assign it to glob and the path here that we're going to be searching. So it's just going to go through there and it's going to store all the information in the array. And then what we're going to do is we're going to loop through it using the for each and a scalar f variable here, and we're going to loop through all the files in there. Using this, we're going to iterate over each individual file and folder. Then we come on to the conditional here, if, because we want to evaluate something, and we use this here, f, which stands for file. So if this variable here is a file, we print that out to the user and we interpolate the file name here is a file. Or else if, and then we've got the D here, which is for directory, or in Windows we call them folders. Unix, Linux is directory. So if that F there is a directory, we print out is a folder or directory. And we interpolate the name of that folder or the name of that directory into the string here. Or else print possible application or something else. Right, all we're going to do now, I'm going to take a look through this folder here, which is D. So I'm going to run the program to make it look a little bit bigger. So this is going to be C:, users mark desktop, and that's going to be D. Let's hit enter, searching. Okay, so it's given us a list of what's in that folder. So this is a folder, this is a folder, this is a file. So there we go, folks. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit the subscription button now, because it actually helps the channel, and the channel really needs help. Look at the views and look at the subs. Anyway, I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.